In today's video, we are going to talk about XRP. How many XRP you need to be crypto millionaire in 2025. And its recent price action. A quick disclaimer that this video isn't financial advice. You should do your own due diligence and research before investing in any crypto project. Your support is important to me. Kindly like my video, comment, watch to the end, and share my video. Ripple XRP whales are getting active on the markets, pumping the trading volume of the asset ahead of Monday's EC filing. The trading volume of the asset is up 121.26% in the last 24 hours, despite price slumping by 6% in the past 7 days. With whale activity up, a positive result from Monday's expected filing could indicate a bullish rally for XRP in the coming week. At press time, XRP is down to 51 cents. April was a rough month for the asset, in part due to the ongoing SEC case. Holders were also optimistic of a surge for the token as well as the entire cryptocurrency market due to the Bitcoin halving event, but that didn't come to fruition. However, high whale activity typically generates hype around an asset, and this rings true in XRP's past. According to the on-chain data tracking platform, whales have purchased nearly 75 million XRP from Binance over the weekend. This reveals the increasing confidence of investors in Ripple's native asset. That confidence in Ripple XRP is very optimistic. With the SEC filing due Monday, Judge Sarah Netburn set today's deadline for the SEC to file its reply in the ongoing legal dispute with Ripple Labs. The SEC's response follows Ripple's motion to dismiss the CC's expert submissions aimed at strengthening its case. Ladies and gentlemen, SEC versus Ripple case and appeal plans unravel XRP's path. XRP fell by 1.51% on Sunday, April 28th, ending the session at $0.51 won. Uncertainty about the outcome of the SEC vs. Ripple case and CC plans to appeal the programmatic sales ruling pressured XRP. On Monday, April 29th, SEC filings in the SEC vs. Ripple case warrant investor attention. On Sunday, April 28th, XRP fell by 1.51%. Following a 1.58% loss on Saturday, April 27th, XRP ended the session at $0.5101 won the SEC opposition brief filing. On Monday, April 29th, the SEC versus Ripple case will take center stage. The SEC must file its opposition brief to Ripple's motion to strike expert testimony. In March, the SEC offered new expert testimony in its opening brief, supporting arguments for a punitive penalty and an injunction. The injunction would prohibit Ripple from selling XRP to institutional investors. Significantly, the testimony related to Ripple's post-complaint activity and analysis of its financial statements. In its opening brief, the SEC argued Ripple continued to breach securities laws after the SEC filed charges in December 2020 post-complaint. In its motion to strike, Ripple argued the SEC did not disclose the identity of the expert witness or testimony during discovery. If the court grants the motion to strike, the SEC cannot provide new testimony regarding Ripple's post-complaint activity and financial statement analysis to pursue a punitive penalty. The court ruling could influence market sentiment toward the SEC versus Ripple case. Nevertheless, the SEC's reply brief will impact buyer demand for XRP more. The SEC will file a reply brief in response to Ripple's opposition brief. Sound arguments against Ripple's opposition brief could raise expectations of a punitive disgorgement and injunction. An injunction could materially impact Ripple's expansion plans for the U.S. market and demand for XRP. The SEC must file its reply brief by May 6th. After the May 6th filing, the court will decide on the penalty size and whether an injunction is appropriate. The court may deliver a ruling before September 2024. Investors expect the SEC to appeal the programmatic sales of XRP ruling at the end of the case. However, external forces could influence the timeline for a ruling. An ongoing investigation into possible financial conflicts of interest within the SEC relates directly to the SEC vs. Ripple case. Office of Inspector General investigation into the SEC. In February, the U.S. government watchdog in power. Oversight announced the Inspector General was close to ending its investigation into alleged crypto conflicts of interest within the SEC. The investigation involves former CC Director William Hinman, a central figure in the Ripple case. Hinman famously said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum ETH were not securities in 2018. Hinman formerly worked with the law firm Simpson Thacker. Simpson Thacker was part of a group Ethereum enterprise that promoted Ethereum. Hinman returned to Simpson Thacker after leaving the SEC. Court documents revealed that Hinman continued meeting with Simpson Thacker despite warnings from the SEC Ethics Division. Empower Oversight filed a lawsuit against the SEC in 2021, claiming SEC officials were biased against Ripple Labs and XRP. Empower Oversight also claimed Hinman received millions of dollars from Simpson Thacker. In this XRP daily chart, XRP sat comfortably below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, affirming the bearish price signals. An XRP breakout from the bottom and top trend lines would support a move to the 50-day EMA. A break above the 50-day EMA could give the bulls a run at the 200-day EMA and $0.5739.9 resistance level. CCV's REST Ripple case related updates and CC activity need consideration. Conversely, an XRP drop below the $0.51 one handle could signal a fall toward the $0.48 8 handle. The 14-day RSI reading 40.83 indicates an XRP fall to the $0.48 8 handle before entering oversold territory. If we look at the 4-hourly chart, on the 4-hourly XRP remained below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, confirming the bearish price trends. An XRP break above the bottom and top trend lines and the 50-day EMA could give the bulls a run at the $0.5361 one level. A breakout from the $0.5361 one level could signal a move toward the 200-day EMA. Selling pressure could intensify at the top trend line. The 50-day EMA is confluent with the top trend line. Conversely, an XRP fall through the $0.50 zero would bring the $0.48 8 into play. The 14-day RSI reading 42.52 suggests an XRP fall to the $0.48 8 before entering oversold territory. Millionaire status can come awfully quickly in crypto if you buy the right things. Unbelievably, XRP outrageously surged to $50 today. Yes, you heard me right, but that was just a temporary surge. And that too only on Gemini after the exchange listed the token. XRP has been in the highlights lately. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've heard by now about the important decision in Ripple's favor in the SEC versus XRP. And the decision that XRP is not a security is a big deal for the entire industry. Not surprisingly, XRP has pumped since the decision, and it got me thinking, how high could it go? Can I retire on XRP? Do I hold enough XRP right now to become a crypto millionaire by 2025, or do I need some more? Let's stop here for now. Guys, this information should not be considered financial advice. I encourage you to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you in my next video.